Hi, I'm Jonathan. I'm an incoming junior at Monte Vista High School. My project is a computer vision security camera. The camera detects objects, and when an object is detected, it sends two emails. The first email contains an image of the object, while the second one contains a short 20-second video right after. The emails sent would look something like this. It can take a front view and also the back view, since it only relies on the upper body detection model. As for the video, it sends a video that can be downloaded, and it will be displayed somewhat like this. Now, my project relies mainly on the Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi is the core of my project, and it's located inside this camera case. It's connected directly to the the USB camera via this USB power bank. And the camera uses mostly Python and OpenCV to function. The main function of Python is included in the Raspberry Pi. OpenCV can only detect video, and so in my video to include audio, I had to use PyAudio and Wave to read the audio and also write it into an audio file. The main challenges I faced during this project was, in the beginning, as Michael said, my Raspberry Pi camera broke, so I had to swap for a USB camera. And to use a USB camera, I had to change most of the code that was given to me to accommodate for the USB camera. Another big problem that I faced was during the beginning, where I had to install the necessary libraries for the Raspberry Pi and Python. The instructions were a little outdated, so I had to focus on searching for the latest compatible versions by myself. Another problem I faced was that because the USB camera was too big, I couldn't use the old case that they gave me, and so I had to 3D print one by myself by designing the case. And finally, the biggest problem I faced was when I was trying to include audio to my video. Since this was a modification, I didn't have any prior guidance to this, so I had to search up the documentation for PyAudio and other libraries by myself and then implement it from scratch. At Bluestamp, I learned a lot about working with Raspberry Pis and Python, as this was actually my first experience with them. And most importantly, at Bluestamp, I learned a lot about working by myself and also searching for documentation and solving problems via Google. As my next steps, I hope to implement more functions for my security camera to make it more like a modern camera, such as accessing the live video feed, and also giving them the function to talk through the camera and also read the audio. Thank you.